I said they need to get some chain.
Take the truck right over there, Dave.
Hope you don't start no trouble with it. She's going by herself.
I just told them to go there last.
There's only one
She
over
would be
there.
polite about it. She would be polite about it. You missed.
Close. So much cooler at night. Right now is a good time too. Earlier we really couldn't see the fire. I mean, you could see it, but
Yeah, you get spinning too fast and almost puts it out.
yeah. I put it out a couple of times last night. I don't know what the hell I'm doing.
Wearing his hat now.
We caught it there on fire.
Yep, that's David's.
Yeah.
Yep, that's David's.
Well, that's what I said. She said there should be two bolts on it.
I didn't want to interrupt your shot. What's that?
I didn't want to ruin your picture or anything or like that. That damn thing is amazing what it's doing.
Oh.
You go there, see a little bit. Because I never seen anything like that. I've seen it on television, but I've never seen actually somebody do that.
Yeah, he started doing it a couple months ago.
Oh, really?
Oh, it's
Pretty good.
No, but I was pretty good.